am doing the $5 Goodwill Challenge, hosted here on YouTube by Hillary from Old World Home. She does this every season. She puts out the challenge invitation to everyone who's interested in joining in on the fun, where you take $5, you go to your local Goodwill, thrift store, rummage sale, garage sale, to find secondhand items to update your home or decorate it for the season. And this being fall, I'm really excited to join in on the fun. I've done it a couple of years ago, and I think I might have a playlist. I've done it a few times before, so I didn't want to miss out this year with the theme being fall. And so here's what I was able to find. I did go to Goodwill, and I found this really cool lantern. It was actually still on. It actually was still on the cart when they pushed it out. It was only $4, so right within budget. And it's just this kind of bamboo lantern. Comes with a hurricane and a candle in it, which is brand new, not even burnt. And I looked at the bottom and I saw that it is from Nate Berkus collection at Target, and they had it priced at $29.99. So I thought that it was a great deal and a great steal. It's kind of dinged up and banged up, so I'm going to take some chalk paint to this and paint it all white and then add it onto my mantle, I think. So I'm going to show you how I transform this piece. Okay, so I have it right here, and then I also found in my stash this little fall pumpkin that I had gotten from Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I have my Waverly white chalk paint. Then I also have this celery color. I wanted to do some white, and I also have some rose gold, like copper, so like copper, some white, and sage. I have some centerpieces from my sister's wedding that was in August that I think would be really pretty on the mantle mixed in. So I have it all dried down, and I have my chalk paint and my chalk paint brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint it. What I love most about chalk paint is it transforms things so easily, but without having to sand down or anything like that. And I also saw a lot of lanterns like this at West Elm, and they were like $30 for a one that was way smaller than this. So I hope you enjoyed my $5 Goodwill challenge. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me. I do a lot of thrift hauls, home organization, fashion, wardrobe remixes, sewing DIYs, and just a bunch of other lifestyle stuff. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll link Hillary's channel down below. She usually has a playlist of everyone who participated, and I love going through and just watching the playlist for days and days, seeing what everyone's able to come up with. And as always, thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Happy fall, everyone!